In the ongoing violence in Manipur, Meitei women and children fled a brutal Kuki militant attack.
2 children were removed due to Facebook security reasons.
Violence in Manipur, Meitei women and children fled a brutal Kuki militant attack in Jiribam on the 11th November 2024. The Kuki terrorists have been kidnapped, and the Kuki militants have released their photos, yet their fate remains unknown. 3 women and 3 children, including an 8-month-old baby, were allegedly abducted on Monday, November 11, 2024.
6 people were killed in Jiribam. Residences of local MNAs attacked by angry protesters, decrying the recent abduction and brutal killings of 6 individuals in Jiribam.
According to local sources, the victims were taken to a remote camp deep within the forested borderlands, where they were held captive for 5 days. During their confinement, the victims allegedly endured severe torture and inhumane treatment, including sexual violence. Despite the brutality of their ordeal, there has been no official confirmation or justice served in connection with the crimes. After 5 days of captivity, all 6 were reportedly killed and their bodies were disposed of in the Barak River. Their remains later discovered floating downstream. This heinous act has sparked deep outrage and mourning among the local community, who continue to demand justice and accountability. The lack of timely action and investigation has only deepened the sense of grief, fear, and anger among the affected families and communities. The silence surrounding these murders raises urgent questions about the rule of law, protection of civilians, and the ongoing ethnic tensions in the region.
This is MN-EXTREAM creation.